Well, hello guys, welcome back to a video. I'm actually flying a plane. This is actually my first flight. It's gonna be a practice flight to Tokyo. But I don't know why. This is so weird, but they give me like such a big plane. Look at that big plane. Holy cow, look at that huge plane. Look at this. 1 story, 2 stories, and then this one is for the cargo and stuff. We're actually gonna be going to Tokyo, which is right there. Right there. It's gonna be a 14-hour trip from I'm pretty sure in around I'm pretty sure this is South Carolina. So yeah, we're just gonna start the taxiing and go to the runway right there. Hopefully we don't crash or anything. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to the runway, which is right there. Okay, so we made it to the runway. We're gonna be taking off shortly, but I don't know why. They gave me such a big plane. And I'm gonna meet my character at Tokyo right there. He wasn't able to come, but he said he would wait at Tokyo. So like but look at this plane, it's so huge, it's so nice. We're taking the Air France Airways, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, we're gonna be flying to Tokyo. I'm pretty sure everything is all clear. We have a lot of fuel, geo is good, flaps are nice, and yeah. Alright, we're gonna take that one. Alright, we're going. Alright, I'm just gonna oh my god. Alright, we're going. Hopefully it's not like that fast. Alright. Let's look at that view right there. Holy cow. We're going fast. Alright, we're taking off. Holy cow. So nice. Alright, we're leaving Tokyo. Let's look at that beautiful view right there. Holy cow, it's an amazing view. And we're gonna put our gear down flaps 1. Yeah, alright, just look at that view. Holy cow, it's beautiful. Beautiful view right there. Yeah. And we're gonna also yeah, we're just flying the nice airplane right there. An amazing view actually, just look at that. Oh, we could see the country that South Carolina that we're leaving. And I'm pretty sure the other part of America is right there in New York. The whole ocean connects. Well, I'm gonna just fly a few and alright guys, so we made it like about really far in. You could not even see the other country now. But you could actually, I'm pretty sure that's the other country that we're seeing right there. We're gonna land there. Oh yeah. And I also see a ship. I'm pretty sure that is the USRR Queen Elizabeth ship. It's like a British ship, I'm pretty sure. And that's like where all the the military lands and stuff. Oh yeah, we're gonna be landing very soon. It's been like 13 hours and 52 minutes. So yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna slow down. We were going about 550 knots. That was really fast. But just look at this view, holy cow. So nice, it's like it says on the cylinder Tokyo International Airport. And we're gonna be landing soon. The one is right there, but we're gonna have to cut around the mountain. Right there, we're about 1,000 feet in the air. 430 knots. Nice. And yeah. Right, we're gonna be cutting here. It's a very sharp one. Oh, cow, look at that. Alright, we're gonna be slowing down to about 44 throttle. 350 knots so far. 1,150 feet. Nice. the gear. I'm just gonna make this like turn right here. We gotta cut. 32 throttle. Cut. Come on. Holy cow. Tokyo International Airport is right there. Should get a better angle to be honest, actually, right now. Okay, I think I might put the gear down. We're at like 900 feet. Wait, why is the gear not working? Oh my god. Guys, the gear is not working. Wait, what is that smell? Okay, we'll fall into the ground. It's stolen. Okay, holy cow. Oh my god, a board hit our engine. Right, I'm gonna turn off the stove. It already won the stove. Holy cow. I'm pretty sure a board just hit our plane. I think we went too low. Alright guys, we have to make an emergency landing. And this plane, I can barely control it. I mean, the gear doesn't even work. I don't even know if I could do a landing.
300.
Okay, the plane is speeding up a lot. Why? Okay, the plane just lost control completely. I think the board hits the engine or it just turned down speed. Alright, I think I know what the best thing to do is. Turn off. Oh my god. Alright. Turn off the engine. Holy cow. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, we're making a water landing. Holy cow. Blaze. Oh my god. Holy cow, that was so fast. I didn't think that was gonna be on my first flight ever. Oh my god. Alright, we gotta just jump out of here. Holy cow. Oh my god. Look at that plane. It's like submerged underwater. I think it's sinking as well. Oh god. First class is like being sunken right now. Holy cow. And look at that. Let's look on that. Oh my god. It's so salty. Oh my god. But just look underwater. Look at that. Oh, they're just submerged underwater. They're just stuck underwater. Alright, we gotta go next flight. I can't even fit here. Holy cow. Oh my god, it's so cold. Alright, I'm just gonna grab a life jacket from the seat right here. They have like life jackets under the seat. Alright, I gotta find the window. I gotta find the door. Alright, I'm just gonna jump out. Oh, it's so cold. Holy cow. Wait, let me just, ow, it's so salty, but look at that. You could see the plane and the engine, and you could also see the board in it. Oh, okay, that plane is sunken. Holy cow. It's so salty. But look at that plane sunk. Oh my god. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna have to swim all the way there. Well, I'll just see you there when I swim all the way down. So yeah. Oh, it's salty there. Alright, I'm just gonna made it. We're like so close here, but it's so cold. I'm gonna need a blanket. And the plane just sunk like under the water. Holy cow. It's gonna be a long time. Holy cow. And it's like night. We would have been landing at Tokyo. Oh my god. My phone is like it's probably dead. It's like broken probably because my phone isn't waterproof, so it's probably dead or something. Oh my god, we're so close to the land. Holy cow, jump. Oh, I gotta jump. Oh my god. Whew, my god. I gotta like climb up here. Holy cow. I don't think, I'm just gonna try to climb up here or something maybe. And yeah. So we made it here. I just the plane, you can't even see it, but that took so long to get up because I had to swim so long. I don't even know how long I swam. But like I'm definitely just gonna go to the airport. Like it's so chilly and cold. I'm swimming in my clothes. I need a towel and stuff. So like I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna just go to the airport and stuff. So like I'll see you there at the airport. I'm just gonna go here. Oh, this is actually the wrong one. Oh wait, this is actually the wrong one, guys. I'm just gonna go to the other one. Alright. Alright guys, so I found an entrance. I'm pretty sure this is to the airport. I'm just gonna like run there and stuff. And yeah. Oh well, okay, yeah. I'm just like, oh my god, I'm just gonna run there. It's like I have like barely any energy, but I'm gonna try run there. Alright guys, we made it here. This is the terminal. I'm gonna have to take a train to go to like where my boss is at. Like I'm pretty sure the train is like right over there. Well, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna head to the train and tell my boss what happened. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe so I could see my boss and he doesn't quit and I will get fired. Hopefully I won't get fired. Because the next video I'm gonna get passengers on my plane. So hopefully I don't clash with them. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.